Are you tired of spending hours crafting scripts for your YouTube videos, only to watch them struggle for views? What if I told you there's a revolutionary way to create engaging scripts in minutes using artificial intelligence that could transform your entire content creation process? Hey creators, welcome back to the channel. If you're new here, I'm your host, and I've been helping content creators maximize their YouTube success for years. Today, we're diving deep into something that's completely changing the game, using AI tools to script videos that actually get views. And I'm going to show you exactly how to do it faster and cheaper than hiring expensive freelancers. Let me start with a shocking reality. Yes, most YouTubers are doing scripting completely wrong. They're either winging it without any structure, spending days researching and writing, or paying hundreds of dollars to freelancers who may not even understand their niche. But here's the thing. The most successful YouTubers have cracked a code that combines proven frameworks with cutting-edge AI technology. Think about it this way. Every minute you spend struggling with a blank page is a minute you're not creating content. Every dollar you spend on overpriced freelancers is money that could be reinvested into growing your channel. The creators who are winning right now aren't necessarily more talented. They're just more efficient with their systems. So what makes a script that gets views? It all comes down to understanding that your title, thumbnail, and hook account for about 80% of your video's success. But here's where most people mess up. They think they need to be entertainment gurus creating crazy elaborate content. The truth is, you just need to be a guide who can deliver value consistently. This is where AI tools like TubeMagic AI come into play. These platforms have revolutionized how we approach script writing by analyzing thousands of successful videos and identifying the patterns that actually work. Instead of guessing what might resonate with your audience, you're using data-driven insights to craft scripts that are practically guaranteed to perform better. Let me break down the framework that top creators use, which these AI tools have now automated. First, you need a compelling hook. That's your promise to viewers about what they'll get from watching. Then comes your intro, where you establish credibility and explain why you're qualified to teach this topic. The value section delivers on your promise with clear, actionable points. Finally, your outro should transition seamlessly to keep viewers watching more content. The beautiful thing about using AI for scripting is that it eliminates the guesswork. Tools like TubeMagic AI can analyze your niche, understand trending topics, and generate scripts that follow proven formulas. You input your topic, your unique angle, and your experience level, and the AI creates a structured script that hits all the psychological triggers that keep viewers engaged. But here's what's really exciting. The cost comparison is incredible. A single freelance scriptwriter might charge anywhere from $50 to $200 per script. If you're creating weekly content, that's potentially $10,000 per year just on scripting. Meanwhile, AI tools typically cost less than $50 per month and can generate unlimited scripts. The time savings are even more dramatic. What used to take hours of research, outlining, and writing can now be done in under 30 minutes. You can literally go from idea to finished script during your lunch break. This means you can focus your creative energy on filming, editing, and engaging with your community instead of stressing over what to say. Now, I know what you're thinking. Doesn't AI-generated content sound robotic or generic? This is where the magic happens. Modern AI tools don't just spit out template content. They learn your voice, understand your niche, and create scripts that sound authentically you. You're not getting cookie-cutter content. You're getting personalized scripts that match your style and expertise. The key is understanding that AI isn't replacing your creativity. It's amplifying it. You still need to bring your unique perspective, experiences, and personality to the content. The AI simply handles the structural heavy lifting, ensuring your ideas are presented in the most engaging way possible. Let's talk about consistency, which is crucial for YouTube success. When you're manually writing scripts, your quality and posting schedule may inevitably suffer during busy periods or creative blocks. With AI assistance, you can maintain consistent output regardless of your circumstances. This reliability is what algorithms love and what audiences expect. Another massive advantage is trend adaptation. AI tools can identify emerging topics in your niche, and help you create relevant scripts before your competition even notices the trend. This gives you a significant first-mover advantage in capturing search traffic and audience attention. The learning curve is surprisingly gentle too. Most AI scripting tools are designed for creators, not technical experts. You don't need coding skills or complex training. Within an hour of signing up, you can be generating your first professional quality script. What really sets tools like TubeMagic AI apart is their understanding of YouTube-specific requirements. They know that educational content needs different hooks than entertainment videos. They understand the importance of retention tactics, engagement triggers, and call-to-action placement. This specialized knowledge would take years to develop manually. Here's something most creators don't realize. Successful YouTubers aren't necessarily better speakers or more charismatic. They're just better at structuring their content for maximum engagement. AI tools democratize this knowledge, giving every creator access to the same frameworks used by channels with millions of subscribers. The scalability factor is enormous. Whether you're creating one video per week or daily content, AI tools adapt to your needs without additional costs or complexity. This scalability is impossible to achieve with freelancers or manual processes. As we wrap up, remember that the YouTube landscape is more competitive than ever. The creators who thrive are those who leverage every available advantage to create better content more efficiently. AI scripting tools aren't just a nice-to-have anymore. They're becoming essential for serious content creators. The future belongs to creators who embrace these technologies while maintaining their authentic voice and unique perspective. You don't have to choose between efficiency and quality. Modern AI tools give you both. Ready to revolutionize your scripting process and start creating videos that actually get views? Click the link in the description below to watch my complete tutorial on using TubeMagic AI and get started with your first AI-generated script today. Your future self will thank you for making this leap.